Coffee Break with me. Woo! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, why is this weird? Okay, let me explain this to you just very briefly, my reasoning why this is occurring. The Sephora Beauty Insider Appreciation event or sale is going on right now, right? And so the Rouge members get a head start. They get a week head start to take advantage of this sale. The VIBs and Beauty Insiders get the week after that. Now, I thought to myself, would my pandas want to see what my VIB recommendations are? Now, I was a little hesitant to do it because every other video in my feed right now are recommendations. But I'm like, you know, what would I realistically get if I was gonna take advantage of this sale? What would I realistically get? And when this sale came around, before I was doing YouTube, it was my opportunity to restock. It was my opportunity to get the backup, to get an additional dry shampoo or conditioner or hair mask. It was my opportunity to get refills on my skincare, right? So I'm like, I need to do this in vlog format because it's almost like if you guys were in my head, I would be going through my collection, through my vanity, through my bathroom, and figuring out a list of my staples, what I would need refills on or backups, right? So I think that's what we're gonna do. But before we get into it, there's information on the sale in the description box below. How long the sale runs, what the codes are, what you need to do. I know it goes through September 3rd, I believe, but you get your little thing in the mail. I don't think you need it. You could probably do it online as well. So I'll have all that information listed in the description box below. But what we're gonna do right now is I think we'll go to my bathroom and we'll see, and I'll tell you guys what I would repurchase if I were taking advantage of this sale. I don't think I need anything right now because this always happens to me. I need something and then I get it and a week later it goes on sale. So I restocked all my hair care from Briogeo last week and now I could use my coupon. Maybe I should get extras. Should I get another backup of my backup? Let's focus. So before I forget, this you must add to cart. Must add to cart. This is the Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor. This is a mud mask that will completely knock your socks off. It will change your life. It will leave your face looking amazing. It's great, it's fantastic. And I actually use it as a spot treatment when I have a horrible breakout on my face. So add that to cart. Then in my shower, another must have that you need to add to your cart is Olaplex. Olaplex is a hair repair treatment. It actually bonds your hair and repairs it. It's not like a deep conditioning mask. It's not like a conditioner. It's an actual product that will repair your hair. So add to cart. My favorite deep conditioning mask is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. I believe Sephora actually has a jumbo size of this. So if you could do that, go for it. Y'all know I have 3 baby hairs. They're limp. There's no volume. This is a mask so awesome that I can apply root to tip and it does not weigh my hair down. So there's that. My favorite daily shampoo and conditioner are these two from Briogeo. They're the Be Gentle, Be Kind Kale and Apple Replenishing Shampoo and Conditioners. They smell really good. They do smell like apple, but currently my favorites. I'll show you guys the other set of these that you guys need as well. This is my facial cleanser. I use it to remove makeup. I use it to wash my face every day. I wash my face in the shower with it. So this is a really awesome buy. But usually I get it during the Nordstrom sale so I can get this giant size. But with the discount that Sephora is offering, it might be a good deal as well. Then we're gonna talk about skincare. So let me just break down my skincare routine for you guys. I wash my face with Purity Made Simple. Then I always use my Murad toner, which you can also find at Sephora. I use the hydrating toner and I love it because it has a spray. And then the serum that I always use all over my face is the Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum. Then I also use an eye serum, which is the Shaba Complex eye serum. You guys, get ready because it's about to be like drunk elephant extravaganza. This is actually a resurfacing night serum that I've been using from Farmacy, which is a brand from Sephora, also from Farmacy. And I hate that I don't have the container to show it to you guys, but their cleansing balm will change your life. I actually included it in a What is this sorcery video. So there's that. The Marula oil from Drunk Elephant is also really good. I don't use it that often where I could say, hey, yeah, it's worth repurchasing because one lasts me forever, but it's one of my favorites after I do a peel, a really strong mask, or anything that's a little more aggressive, or even if I've had too much sun exposure, it's a really soothing, calming product. The eye cream that I've been using is the C-Tango Multivitamin eye cream from Drunk Elephant. And then depending on how my skin is feeling, I will use either the Protini peptide cream as my moisturizer. This is like an everyday type moisturizer. If my face is feeling dry or depleted or a little dehydrated, I'll go in with this one. And this is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. I talked about this in a previous haul video when they were offering the little sample size. So in terms of skincare, these would be my recommendations. I've also been using this balm since I ran out of the one from Farmacy, and it's really good. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off. It surprisingly lasts a long time because a little bit goes a ridiculously long way. You can see I use that little spatula. That little spatula actually came with the product from Farmacy that I was telling you guys about. Okay, then I need you guys to enter the judgment-free zone because it's kind of a mess down here, but I need to show you some other must-haves. So, my favorite dry shampoo ever is the Detox dry shampoo from Drybar. It's very pricey, so definitely get it when there's a sale or you can get extra points or something to make it worth your purchase. So I would get that. I would also get the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. My favorite moisturizer. I love the sparkle that it has. It's really awesome. I've tried to replace this with others very similar and nothing comes close. So I go between this and the pistache one. I need pistache to come to Sephora. Let's be honest. We need to bring this to Sephora. But yeah, this one is delicious. Then what else do I have here? That I would say must add to cart. Oh, here we go. This one right here. The Kapari Coconut Melt. You guys, if you're extra and a little bougie, this coconut oil will change your life. Everyone's like, well, coconut oil is just coconut oil. It's all the same. You know what? Don't fight me on this. This is awesome. I told you guys that I would show you the other shampoo and conditioner that I use from Briogeo. That's these two here, the Blossom and Bloom volumizing shampoo and conditioner. These are amazing, especially if you just have two hairs, you guys. It's awesome. Super highly recommend. I don't know if this is excluded from the sale because usually Chanel products are, but this is actually one of my favorite perfumes ever. It smells delicious. It's the Chanel Chance in the Eau Fresh variety. Most women use the Eau Tundra. It's a lot more pretty. It's a lot more feminine. This one here is just fresh and sassy. I used to wear this when I was single, and you guys, it was very effective. All right, we're going back to the stomping ground, and we're gonna start where it makes sense. If I were to get restocks or refills, I would definitely do the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. It's my favorite primer ever, and it's very expensive, so if you can get a discount, do it. I also, my favorite face product is the Urban Decay One and Done. That would also be on my list. Super love that. And then moving on to this little section, I would definitely get a restock of my Creamy Radiant Concealer from NARS and the Soft Matte Concealer, the little potted ones. You guys, I use this as foundation sometimes Maybe I should get some of these with my coupon so that I can make it worth the purchase. So those are the concealers I would get. I don't know if I would get a brow gel. Because I really shouldn't be using this super expensive brow gel. I should be using something from the drugstore. A lot of you guys have recommended the one from Milani, so I'll need to check that out. But definitely those two concealers. A super must-have is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Powder. I go through this like water, so that would definitely be in my cart. My cart currently has like $2,000 worth of product. And then 2 more products, and that would be it. This is actually not a staple, like a refill product or something that I need to get over and over, but it's the only palette that I've been very excited about in a really long time. This is Urban Decay's Born to Run palette. This would be something that would be on like my wish list if I didn't have it already. So it's a really fun palette, and I think it's going to lend itself to really fun looks during the fall and winter. So add that to cart for sure. And then the last product, you guys, don't laugh at me, okay? You have to promise you're not gonna tease me or laugh at me, would be the Beauty Blender in Sapphire. I hope it's still in stock. I hope it's still available. If you guys are a fan of Beauty Blender, this is like the champion of all beauty blenders. It's so soft. The texture is somewhat different. It just applies your products like a dream. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I wanted to keep it real. Like I wanted to be like, listen, if I'm doing this VIB sale, this is what I would do. I'd go through my stuff and I'd be like, what do I need replenishments of? What's my favorite? What do I go through a lot? Stuff like mascara, but the mascaras that I use are drugstore mascaras. So we gotta stay focused. We gotta keep our eyes on the prize. What are the products available to Sephora or available at Sephora that I could take advantage of this sale? This is also a perfect opportunity for you to be like, okay, I kind of wanted, you know, this fun, colorful palette, but I didn't want to bring myself to pay full price. Now that you have the promo, now's your chance. I do, though, have to do a shameless plug for Ebates. If you guys are going to get your Sephora purchase, order it online and make sure that you guys use Ebates so that you could save more money. I haven't talked about Ebates in a very long time, and this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to remind you guys, if you're going to take advantage of this sale, get some cash back while you're at it. So if you're not familiar with what Ebates is, it's an online rebate program. It's totally free. There's no catch, there's no loophole. Basically, if you're an online shopper and you shop from places like Carter's, the other day I got my kids' entire fall and winter wardrobe, and Carter's was doing, I think 4% cash back. So it's kind of one of those things where you're like, oh, I need to shop online from Sephora or Ulta or Carter's or Gymboree. You go to Ebates and see if it's one of the retailers that's established with Ebates, and you get cash back for your purchases. You could either get a gift card, you get a deposit, you can get a check in the mail. It's totally legit. I discovered it like 6 years ago, and I can't tell you how much money I get from all my online purchases. So who knows what the percentage of Sephora is gonna be when they have this sale, because it could vary anywhere from 4% to sometimes 10. It's crazy. Could you imagine if you spend, I don't know, $1,000. Could you imagine spending $1,000? Could you imagine if you spend $100 at Sephora and they're doing 10% cash back? I mean, that's already a savings on its own. So keep that in mind. I will have a referral link in the description box below. That means that when you sign up for Ebates, it's totally free, you guys. When you sign up for Ebates using my referral link, I do get credit for your sign up, but you also get a bonus cash amount. So we both get credit for shopping some more and getting cute tanks like this one that says cerveza por favor. Anyway, I will list and link all of these products in the description box below in order, and I hope that some of my favorites become some of your favorites, and then we could totally restock together anytime Sephora has a sale. And I think that's it, you guys. I love you so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys.